So guys, saying this here, one more LeetCode game video has been came on the channel. So in today's video, we are solving a question number 605 by the name of Can Place Flowers. So yeah, and you are thinking in the previous video I solved question number 602, but in today's video why I am solving 605 directly, because 603, 604, these both questions are unlocked. So that's why we are solving about 605. Okay, that's why we are solving 605 directly. But anyways, let's start to solve this easy one question in today's video, and this is a very beautiful question which we are solving in today's video, and this is a easy one question which we are solving in the Python 3. And total there are two topics which has been included by the name of array and greedy. So yeah, in today's video we are solving this question, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And one more thing I want to tell you that if you do not follow me on my WhatsApp channel yet, so go and follow me, and please don't forget to follow me on my LinkedIn profile, because I will be update you in my LinkedIn profile. And if you have any query and if you want to contact with me, so you can also be message me on my LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn profile link is in my description. But anyways, let's start today's video. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start to solve over this question 605 by the name of Can Place Flowers. So first of all, we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say us, then we'll be start to solve it. Okay, in the LeetCode website. Okay, so this 603, 604, these two questions are locked, so that is why we are not solving these questions. We are directly go until the 605, and this is an easy one question, and the question we are solving this in the Python 3, and the question is not bigger, it is also very smaller. Okay, now you have a long flower bed in which some of the plots are planted and some are not. However, flowers cannot be planted in adjacent plots. Please highlight this word, okay, because it will be help you. Now it has been given me our integer array flower bed by the name of flower bed containing zeros, ones, where 0 means empty and 1 means not empty, and an integer and return true if new flowers can be planted in the flower bed without violating the no adjacent flowers rule, and false otherwise. If you see the first example here, he created one flower bed integer array by the name of flower bed, in which he wrote in down 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1. And here he created one integer by the name of n, in which he wrote in down 1. And the output has been coming true. Why? Now it is given me, it is one example too, in which he created one integer array by the name of flower bed, in which he wrote in down 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And here's only one integer by the name of n, in which he wrote in down 2. And output incoming false. Here in today's video there are only two cases, and these are the constraints which you will see here. Okay, so let's start to solve it. And this is an easy one question, and total 4.1 million people have submitted it, and only 1,194,190 people has been accepted. Total acceptance rate is 28.9%. It must be harder question. And I want to tell you that one more thing, there are some of the topics are included by the name of arrays, array and greedy, and I think so these are one of the most popular question in the LeetCode website, because 4 million people have submitted it. Okay, and anyways, come to my channel by the name of Rayyan, and please do 500,000 subscribers, we are very near to it. And then do come out in my playlist, and when you come out in the playlist, come out in LeetCode playlist, please access this playlist and bookmark this playlist. Okay, please access this playlist and bookmark it for more these type of LeetCode videos, and you complete 121 video views into this playlist. So please complete 500 views in this playlist. Okay, 500 views only. Now let's try to solve this question. Anyways, so first of all, we are solving this question in the Python 3, and we wanted to find a class of a solution, because it's a rule of a LeetCode camp. Whenever we want to solve any question, first of all you define a class of a solution. Define the f keyword can place flowers. Define self comma flower bed. So flower bed is our one integer array, so we define in the list, we define our int The n is only an integer, so we define only int here. Then tool. Now define here if n equals to 0 equals to, then return true. For I in range, then we found the length of our flower bed. Now perfect. Then if flower bed I equals to 0 and I equals to 0, or flower bed I minus 1 equals to 0 and I equals to, then we found the length of our flower bed, and then we write here minus 1. And then when we do this all the things, so now we want to do this enter press here, then we define here or flower bed, I mean do not press enter, okay, just leave the enter, okay, like this, back, okay. Now here we back it, okay, now perfect, okay, back, now it is perfect. Now when we zoom it, so it will become in the next line automatically, okay. Now define flower bed one more time, define here I equals to 1, define n minus equals to 1, if n equals to 0, define here semicolon, give the space from here, give the space from here, return true, and then return false. Perfect. Now the last thing is to run this code. So now let's see the running code and let's see if both cases are right or not. So when I run this code, so let's see. Now our both cases are correct. In the case whenever our expected output is true and my also output has been coming true, in the case to the expected output is false and my also output has been coming false. So the last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, now the submission code has been also be accepted and I beat 82.62% people, means 82.62. okay, so now here I write easy solution in Python 3 beats for more explanation visit the Rayyan YouTube channel, and fire emoji. Let me pick this fire emoji, let me paste it here, let me paste it here and post it. So now you can see it. In today's video we solved this question by the name 605 by the name of can place flowers. If you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on this LeetCode Camp channel. Okay, so now anyways, let's meet you in the next video, in next very amazing video like these type of. And I want to also tell you one more thing else. So if you did not follow my if you did not follow my LinkedIn profile, so go and follow it, okay, because it is very important for you. And if you have any inquiry and anything, so come on to my LinkedIn and message me. Open the LinkedIn, just search here my profile Rayyan Big, so then my profile will become, click here and just connect with me, follow me, okay, just send without a note, or if you want to send a note, so send it, then you will be follow me like this, okay. And here I will be posted all the videos when my video has been came, and here is my WhatsApp channel link. Here my WhatsApp channel link is also here, you can see it. Here's my WhatsApp channel link, so just you want to click it and just view my channel, then you will be promoted to my WhatsApp channel also. But anyways, let's meet in the next video, amazing video. So for today, goodbye.